Last night it got a little dark, so I figured I'd do another walk around, go over the car in a little bit more detail, give you a better idea of kind of what we're working with here. So I'll see if I can flip the camera around. All right, here we go. So I think I was kidding myself whenever I said it was virtually dent-free. The car has quite a few little small spots, but overall the paint on the exterior of it's kind of rough. The headlight here needs to be replaced. It's probably going to need a new core support. Those things I think are less than 40 bucks here local, so I might just throw one in. Up front, the car was an automatic, so it's got solid mounts. Looks to be a stainless coated line for the clutch slave cylinder. It's running OBD2 clips on some kind of jumbled up harness. What we're going to do here to rule out and make sure the starter's bad, I'm going to charge up the battery, and on the starter we're going to jump the contacts to the positive hot terminal. If the starter spins, then we've got an ignition wire issue. But ultimately, here's kind of what happened to the car. The original harness, the contacts inside there were shorted out, and the starter was stuck in the on position. So that's since been replaced, and we should be able to test the starter. It tests bad, and then from that point be able to go get a new one. I'm gonna try to hit up a junkyard this weekend. With this being the budget build, I don't really want to throw 100 bucks at a new starter. I'd rather find something that was truly a budget. But the rear lift shocks still work. It's got an intake. It gave me a part of a lip that's busted up. Looks like the hatch cover for up here. Heads up. We'll sand all this down once I get my garage empty and back to normal. We'll be able to put it inside, get it in jack stands, figure out kind of what we're looking at. I mean, ultimately, the idea behind this is to build a cheap, reliable, fun little car and not spend an arm and a leg doing it. Find something that someone else once enjoyed and then repurpose it. But shouldn't be too bad. So I'm going to go ahead and change clothes and test out the starter, and we'll cut to another video. Hey YouTube, we're going to run and grab a battery charger for the little car. Mine quit working, so Alright, so the first thing we got to do is remove the battery so we can get it on the charger. I guess you could run an extension cord out here, but just in case it gets dark, I'm not going to do that. Alright guys, so I got the battery on the battery charger. So hopefully this won't take too awful long here, and we'll go ahead and start disassembling the starter. So let's get you set back up here. Alright, we had to get a longer extension. Alright, so here's what we're working with. The way that the starter positive battery terminal connects, looks like it's kind of broke loose. So I think what we'll do in the meantime is we'll just cut it and then put a new terminal on the end of it, because this one, see that there, this one's about in the same shape, so we'll probably just cut that one, put a new terminal on the end of it, and solder it back. Alright, let's get some cutters.